a rare type of black hole has been caught killing a star. Intermediate mass black holes are the rarest of all black holes. They are much more massive than a star, but not as massive as the stars at the centers of galaxies. These black holes have only been identified a handful of times. Now, an intermediate mass black hole has been found thanks to its terrible actions, ripping apart a star in a distant dwarf galaxy wandering near it, in an event that astronomers' literature calls it a tidal disruption event, TDE, according to space.com. TDE makes itself visible as it emits a burst of radiation so powerful that it outpaces all the stars in its dwarf galactic home combined. This TDE could help scientists better understand the relationship between galaxies and the black holes within them. The team has reason to believe that this event, designated AT2020, was the destruction of a star by a black hole. Modeling the event, it is estimated that this black hole has a mass of 50,000 to 800,000 times the mass of the Sun. By comparison, black holes have been found to have gravitational waves, often with masses dozens of times that of the Sun. Supermassive black holes in the centers of galaxies can be millions, or even billions of times the mass of the Sun. The first author to detect the event, Charlotte Angus at the Niels Bohr Institute, Denmark, said, "In fact, we captured this intermediate mass black hole while it swallowed a star." Not only that, researchers can use the properties of the flare itself to better understand this elusive group of intermediate mass black holes. They may make up the majority of black holes at the centers of galaxies. According to IFL Science, supermassive black holes existed very early in the universe, too early for them to make sense in many theories. One possibility is that the formation of supermassive black holes comes from the merger of many intermediate mass black holes. Co-author Vivienne Baldesser, professor of physics and astronomy at Washington State University, USA, said, "One of the biggest open questions in astronomy today is how supermassive black holes form." Professor Enrico Ramirez Ruiz, an astronomer and astrophysicist at the University of California, explains, "If we can understand the population of intermediate mass black holes, how many there are and where they are located, them can help us determine whether the theory of supermassive black hole formation is correct."